Hello guys, how are you? Hope you're all doing great. In today's video, we're going to explore how to manage customer ledgers in the point of sale system. Now, there are two types of business strategies. If you're selling items on a cash basis, you usually don't need to record the customer's name. Simple, right? But if you're selling on credit, giving items on account, then yes, you must record the customer's name. Why? Because that's how you'll maintain a proper ledger, one that includes all transactions. When the customer took the items, what amount was paid, if any discount was applied, and more. We'll also show you how you can print and view these ledgers. Example time. Let's say an invoice shows a total of 𝗬𝐴24,370 and the customer hasn't paid anything yet. You can either leave the amount blank or mention any partial payment received. The remaining amount, it'll automatically show as balance. And hey, if you mistakenly try to save the sale without entering a customer name, the software will alert you. Why? Because this is a credit transaction and recording the customer is mandatory. So how do you proceed? Just select or add a new customer. Once selected, if payment is received, it'll be deducted from the balance automatically. When you save the customer bill, the transaction is added to their account. And next time that 𝐸Mer returns, their previous balance will be right there, ready to go. When you print the customer invoice, whether it's a thermal bill or report format, it includes invoice amount, deal amount, previous balance, total payable amount. Now what if the customer pays later? No worries. The payment can be recorded anytime, and the software will adjust their balance automatically. Energetic transition, managing receivables. Let's go. Head to the Customers module, then Account Receivables. You'll see all customers from whom you need to collect payments, plus today's transactions. Yep, customers you dealt with today. Cool, right? Options overview. You can filter search customers by name, phone number, area. When a payment is received, click Adjustment. Select the customer's name. Their current balance will appear. Enter the amount received, and you can also add a comment or reference, like who paid or why. Payment via bank, no problem. Switch from cash to bank, enter the bank name, slip or transaction ID. Add a note if you want. Then click Save and Print, or just Save. And that's it. Special case, now in rare scenarios, like if a customer takes cash from you, think distributor or wholesaler, use the cash out option. This creates a reverse entry in their ledger. Mistake handling. Made a mistake during entry? No stress. Click the transaction, choose Edit Adjustment. Make the change and save. Note, it updates the original. It doesn't create a new one. Say a customer owed Rs 45,140 and paid Rs 45,000. You can record the Rs 40 as a discount and optionally mention a reason. Customer ledger reports? You got it. Go to the reports section and generate the full ledger. You can print it, send via WhatsApp, export as PDF. Wrong entry that needs deleting? Click and delete, but the system will ask for a reason. Important, only admins or authorized users can do this. You can generate reports, daily, monthly, yearly, or based on custom date ranges. Detailing panel info. The right panel shows all ledger history, including comments, adjustments, invoices, payments. After clicking here, when you click on Report, the ledger PDF format will instantly appear in front of you. You can zoom in, and yes, there are plus and minus buttons right there, so you can clearly view every detail. This section shows all the amounts, invoices, and their adjustments, and everything will be right there in front of your eyes. In the same way, any payment you've received and entered into the ledger, yes, it'll show up here too. For example, if you received a payment of 10,000 rupees, you'll see it. Another entry shows a payment of 19,000 rupees received. Just like that, the full ledger is displayed, and if needed, you can even send it to your customer directly. Now, let's talk about the account receivable option. This is super helpful when you need the full transaction history of a specific customer, like when they bought items, when payments were made, and when invoices were created. But hey, if you want the ledgers for all customers together, instead of checking one by one, just head over to Customer Outstanding. Click on it, and if you're looking for monthly data, just click on Monthly. It's that easy. Here, you'll see total receivables, meaning how much payment is still pending from each customer. It also shows the total sales amount. And if there's anything you owe to a customer, it'll show up as a negative amount or under the payable section, so you'll know you have to pay them. And guess what? You'll also see the last invoice date. Yes, the most recent bill date. You can sort and organize the table however you like. Just click once on any column heading and boom, the whole table is sorted. Want to arrange it by invoice date? Just click the date column. It's that simple. Now let's touch on adjustments and ledger queries. When you click here, you'll see the total number of invoices per customer and the total billed amount. Honestly, this is one of the coolest features of the point of sale system. Everything is organized and you can sort it in so many ways. Want to generate a report based on area? Just click on area wise and you'll instantly see the ledger of all customers in that specific area. If you're using multiple systems, no worries. You can choose the one you want and get the report just like that. All receivables, amounts, and statuses, everything gets printed and shown here. Now here's something cool. You can even click on Zero Outstanding to filter out customers who have no pending dues. Yep, neither they owe you, nor do you owe them. Once you click it, even those customers with zero balances will appear, unless of course, you filter them out. And yes, there's the overdue payment option too. As we've seen in earlier videos, this option appears under General Settlements. You can define an overdue limit, for example, show customers who haven't paid in the last 30 days or maybe 15 days. Once you set it and save, the overdue report shows you exactly who hasn't made any recovery during that period. And here's the cherry on top. While editing a customer's adjustment, there's a Send Message option too. Whatever recovery or payment you've entered, just hit Save and Print, or simply Save, and boom, a text message goes straight to your customer. Point of sale system is truly powerful and refined. As soon as you save, everything is updated, and the customer is notified instantly. It's fast, smart, and efficient. That's it for today's video. In the next one, we'll see how to manage supplier ledgers. Till then,